Welcome back to our Japanese lesson for today. Yan. And sharing po natin ngayon is, what is Wakaru in Japanese culture? So, there. Here. Wakaru. As I explained before in our past videos, if the word is end in ru, that means in you, that means this is in dictionary form. So if we're gonna translate this into polite form, we just gonna write this in wakarimasu. Wakarimasu. Karimasu. Wakarimasu. This means I understand. It's just like if let's say we have a conversation like, do you understand Japanese? Nihongo ga wakarimasu ka? It's like this. Nihongo ga wakarimasu ka? So if this became, yes, I understand, we can say, Hai, wakarimashita. Hai, wakarimashita. Yan. So if you want to make it more polite or something like with expression in Japanese, Hai, wakarimashita yo. Yan. Hai, wakarimashita. Although there are some lines that we're using with wakarimasu, like not only asking if you understand. Let's say we have a conversation that's today or this afternoon you will have a flight going to London. So I can say that Aite London ni iku. London iku koto ni shimashita to wakarimashita. This means that why we use this line, London iku koto to shimashita toいうことをわかりました. Why we said like that way? Before I don't understand, and then now I understand. So before, a while ago, I do not know that he's going to London, and now because I heard from him, or I heard from someone, or someone explained to me that he is going to London, so I understand now that he is going to London. So 相手がロンドンに行くことにしましたということは分かりました。I understand. Okay. This is in affirmative form. So how are you going to say this in a negative way? So let's say we're gonna ask again, do you understand Japanese? We can say, yeah. 日本語がわかりません. Right here. Okay. 日本語がわかりません. So, yung mas K natin, yung mas form, it turned out into masen. Yung mas will become masen. So, masen will means a negative form, so it's no. So wakarimasen. So do you understand Japanese? Yeah, nihongo ga wakarimasen. Other people are saying in this way, wakaranai. Yan, many people are using this. Nai. Why nai? Why not masen? Because nai is a dictionary form for masen. So, if you want to use a dictionary form, use nai. So, however, in putting this into Japanese culture, we have again the dictionary form or regular form or polite form. So, in a polite manner, it's nice to use always mas or masen at the end because we don't know whom we're talking with. Let's say, ang kausap mo ba ay mukhang bata, mukhang matanda, akala mo bata pa, hindi na pala, matanda pala sa'yo. So, it's rare, or it's not good, or medyo kawalang-galang if you're using a dictionary form to someone who is older than you or higher than you. We have a Japanese culture that is nice to be always humble and polite. So, it's good to use wakarimasen instead of wakaranai, or wakarimasu instead of wakaru. And how about saying in a past tense? Let's say, a while ago I used "Hai wakarimashita." That means I already understand. So, wakarimashita. So, the mas became mashita. Okay? Mashita. Masta o shita. So, wakarimashita. So, if you're gonna use wakarimasen for no, this will become wakarimasen deshita. Yan, wakarimasen deshita. Yan, the sen, wakarimasen, and then we're going to add deshita. Yan, wakarimasen deshita. It is nice to memorize a polite word instead of dictionary word. Although, memorizing a dictionary word is very helpful if you're going to create into a sentence like Wakaru koto ga dekimasu. I can understand. Ibig sabihin, kaya ko namang intindihin, right? Or yan. But although this is not a good term, so please do not memorize that line. Let's say, kare ga watashi no iteru koto o wakaru koto ga dekimasu deshou ka? Dekimasu deshou ka? Yan. Kare wa watashi no iteru koto o wakaru koto ga dekimasu deshou ka? Is he can understand what I am trying to say? Is he can understand what I'm trying to say? Kare ga watashi no ni iteru koto o, what I'm saying, wakaru koto ga dekimasu deshou ka? Can he understand what I'm trying to say? So that in that case, I use the dictionary form wakaru. But I can say in this answer, in affirmative matter, hai wakaru koto ga dekiru to omoimasu. Hai, wakaru koto ga dekiru to omoimasu. Yes, maybe he can understand. Wakaru koto ga dekiru to omoimasu. Or else, we can, I think, in this case, to omoimasu, I said to omoimasu, I think. So, let's say, I'm sure that he can understand. I can say, hai, wakarimashita yo. Wakarimashita yo. Hai, wakarimashita yo. Hai. Or, wakarimashita. Hai, wakarimashita yo desu. Wakarimashita yo desu. That means, yes, maybe he can understand. Yes, he understands. Or, if we're gonna say in a negative manner, we can say, iye wakaranakatta yo desu. Yan. Wakaranakata yo desu. There. Wakaranakata yo desu. Wakarimasen deshita. In dictionary form, this became wakaranakata. Yes, wakaranakata ay in wakaranay. In this case, I put away the I and change that into kata. Wakaranakata. Yes. Wakaranakata yo desu. No. It seems like he don't understand. Hi. Wakaranakata yo desu. So, mostly we say wakarimashita. Okay, there is another chuijiko. Attention. In Japanese culture, it is not good if you say, "Hi, wakarimashita." Yes, I understand. Because this will bring a responsibility and obligation. So if you said, "Hi, wakarimashita," that means you have the obligation to do the rest. So this will be your responsibility. Kaya pag halimbawa, may kontrata, may pinilapan ka, and you said, "Hi, wakarimashita," in the explanation they have given to you, that means you already agreed and you understand. So if ever may nangyari do sa kontrata o sa sinabi, at sinabi mong, "Hi, wakarimashita," and you failed, hindi pala yun ng pagkakaintindi mo, that will be your responsibility. Kaya, if you do not understand, don't say, "Hi, wakarimashita." You can ask and again. So, Japanese culture is very patient in explaining a very simple detail. Kaya pag hindi nyo na po naintindihan, you can ask from time to time, "What is this mean?" Or you can ask, "Yoku wakarimasen nga mo ichido onegai itashimasu." This means one more time, please explain it again. Or you can just say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you say it again?" So, mo ichido onegai shimasu. Mo ikai onegai shimasu. Onegai shimasu means please. Okay, I will give another explanation for onegai shimasu. So, it's nice if we can talk in a simple and polite manner. So, if we don't understand, don't say, "Yes, I understand." Instead, ask and ask again until we understand. And if once we understand, we always say, "Hi, wakarimashita." Okay, just like I'm going to ask you guys, 今日のインフォはわかりましたか？はい。皆さんがわかったことはとても嬉しいです。また今度よろしくお願いいたします。I will be very happy if you guys understand my video and hope you can apply this in your daily life. Thank you so much and see you again. Bye bye!